Once upon a giggle, in the fluffy cloud kingdom of Lollipop, there lived a tiny princess named Lulu. But Princess Lulu was no ordinary royal. She didn't wear fancy crowns or walk with perfect posture. Nope, she wore glittery bunny slippers and laughed at everything. She was known far and wide as the giggle-princess. One shiny morning, while Lulu was sipping blueberry bubble tea and watching jellyfish fly across the candy-colored sky, a loud achoo shook the whole castle. Oh, gumdrops! What was that sneeze? Lulu giggled. Sir Sprinkle the unicorn galloped in, his rainbow mane flying. Your giggleness! A dragon has the sniffles in the gumdrop forest. A sneezing dragon. That's the silliest thing I've ever heard. Lulu laughed, and off she went to investigate with her magic feather wand in a basket full of sneeze-sized tissues. In the forest, they found a big, blue dragon sitting on a cupcake-shaped rock, blowing fire with every sneeze. Achoo! And a tree turned into a popcorn fountain. Hi, dragon! Lulu waved. Need a tissue? The dragon blinked. Yes, please. I think I'm allergic to glitterberries. Lulu giggled. Let's find you a cozy cave without glitterberries. So the giggling princess, the sneezing dragon, and Sir Sprinkle searched high and low over marshmallow hills and through chocolate chip caves until they found the perfect spot. The dragon snuggled up with his blankie, sneezed one last fiery puff, and finally smiled. Thank you, he sniffled. You're the kindest princess ever. And from that day on, every time the dragon almost sneezed, Lulu made him laugh instead, and laughter, as you know, is the best kind of magic. The end.